Hi folks, Josh Miskevich here, new founder of the Order of Scientology and Bird Slayers. This is a 2017 CEO appreciation hunt. Ran into a little hiccup though, we have no fucking CEO. And so we got Clooney Kazmersky out here, we got Squeeze Nation, and we got the puppies. And what happens when you don't come out on the CEO hunt, you lay in bed and you look at the birds flying over you in the Kent Valley, you miss out on things like this. But since he's been shunned and he has to walk the sands barefoot in the burning earth, once he returns from the tree and he's found knowledge, he can come back. Catch you in 2018. Woo! Woo! Woo!